హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 7 మనకు కాంబినేషన్స్ టాపిక్లోంచి ఒక 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కవర్ అవుతుంది. ప్రీవియస్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్లో వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సి ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ 10 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ NC2 ఈక్వల్ 3 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ n ప్లస్ 1 C3 దెన్ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ n అని ఉంది. Given that 10 times NC2 is given as 3 times n plus 1 C3. NCR formula use చేద్దాం. It is n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Next it is 3 times of n plus 1 factorial divided by, on subtraction it is n minus 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Now I am going to write constants 10 by 2 here and n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. This is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. n plus 1 factorial written as n plus 1 of n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial it is. n factorial, n minus 2 factorial gets cancelled and 2 also gets cancelled. 10 is n plus 1 implies the value of n equal to 9. This is your answer. Let us move to the next question. NC21 equal to NC27, then find the value of 49Cn is there. Since NC21 equal to NC27 implies the value of n written as 21 plus 27. Reason for this, NCR equal to NCS implies n equal to R plus S. You know this result. Implies the value of n equal to 48 it is. Here the question is, we need to find the value of 49 Cn, that is 49C48. 49C48 also written as 49C1. This is clearly 49. Let us move to the next question. NC4 is given as 210, then find the value of n. Yes, NC4 is 210. By NCR formula I am going to write NC4 value, that is n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial, that become 210. Implies you can write the value of n factorial equal to 210 multiplied by 4 factorial multiplied by n minus 4 factorial it is. n factorial written as n of n minus 1 of n minus 2 of n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial, left side result. In the right hand side it is 210 into 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial. n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial gets cancelled and you can write n of n minus 1 of n minus 2 of n minus 3 equal to 210 written as 10 into 7 into 3. Next 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Implies we can get n of n minus 1 of n minus 2 of n minus 3 equal to 10 multiplied by, here 3 into 3 9, 4 into 2 8, remaining 7 into 1 7. Product of 4 successive terms you have. On comparison I can write the value of n as 10. This is your answer. Let us move to the next. 12CR plus 1 is given as 12C3R minus 5. Then find the value of R. That is the question. Yes, we know that NCR equal to NCS implies R value equal to S, or n can be written as R plus S. Here 12C R plus 1 equal to 12C 3R minus 5 implies we can write R plus 1 is 3R minus 5, or you can write the value of 12 equal to combination of R plus 1 and 3R minus 5. Here on simplification it is 2 times of R becomes 6, and here it is 4R become 16. Next, on simplification the value of R become 3, either 3 or 4. This is your answer. Let us move to the next question. 12C S plus 1 equal 12C 2S minus 5. Then find the value of S. This is the question. The same here I am going to apply. We know that NCR equal to NCS implies either R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. Here 12C S plus 1 is given as 12C 2S minus 5 implies you can write S plus 1 value equal to 2S minus 5 or 12 written as combination of these two, that is S plus 1 plus 2S minus 5. And now on simplification it is the value of S becomes 6, or you may write 3 times of S equal to, this is 12 plus 4 equal to 16. S equal to 6 or S equal to 16 by 3. 16 by 3 is non-integer and 6 is integer quantity. Therefore, the value of S equal to 6. It is not Z plus, right? Only 6 belongs to Z plus. So that you have to write the value of S as 6. Let us see this question. 15C 2R minus 1 is given as 12C 2R plus 4. Then find the value of R. This is the question. Here 15C 2R minus 1 is given as 12C 2R plus 4. Here the question should be here 15C 2R plus 4. Otherwise it is impossible to solve. Yes, now proceed. We know that NCR equal to NCS implies R equal to S, or you can write N equal to R plus S. Here 15C 2R minus 1 equal to 15C 2R plus 4 implies you can write 2R minus 1 equal to 2R plus 4, or the value of 15 equal to 2R minus 1 plus 2R plus 4. Here first one is 4 equal to minus 1 impossible, so that you have to select the second one. 4R plus 3 become 15, and from this the value of R equal to 12, and hence the value of R equal to 3. Yes, let us move to the next one. Find the value of 10C5 plus 2 times of 10C4 plus 10C3 you have. Here to solve this I am going to use this property. Sum of two successive binomial coefficients NCR plus NCR plus 1 written as N plus 1 CR plus 1. This property I am going to use. You know this result. Here in the question given by 10C5 plus 2 times of 10C4 plus 10C3 is given in the question. It can be rewritten as 10C5 plus 2 times of 10C4 written as 10C4 plus 10C4. Next it is 10C3. Now 10C4 plus 10C5 keep in one bracket, 10C3 plus 10C4 keep in another bracket. Using that property, now I can write this as 11C5 it is. This is 11C4. Again for this, if you use the property, then you will get it is 12C5, and 12C5 value become 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 5 factorial. On simplification it is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 factorial cancel, 5 factorial value 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here 4, 2, 8 cancel, 3, 3 cancel, next 5 into 2, that is 12 multiplied by 66. That is 792 is your answer. Let us move to the next question. NPR equal to 5040, NCR equal to 210, then find the value of N and R. This is the question. Yes. Given that NPR value 5040 and NCR is given by 210. I am going to write 1 divided by 2 implies what happens. Observe, NPR divided by NCR, it is 5040 divided by 210. 210 NPR written as 5040 NCR. 21 0 I am going to cancel. 21 NPR value n factorial by just n minus r factorial. This is 504. NCR written as n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. These two terms gets cancelled. Implies r factorial written as 504 divided by 21. This is 3 7s are 21. 168 by 7 we get. Okay. R factorial become 168 by 7 gives 24. Implies R factorial value 24 written as 4 factorial, and hence the value of R equal to 4. That is the answer. But we need to find R as well as N. Yes. 5040 can be written as, if you divide with 10, it becomes 504. If you divide with 9, what happens? 56. Next 8 into 7. Yes. 5040 written as, given in the question, NPR, and that can be written as 10P4. Why? Because product of 4 successive terms, so that can be written as 10P4. You know that R value 4, by this R value 4. 10p4 equal to np4 implies the value of n become 10. These are the values of n and R. Move to the next one. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letters of the word equation is given. Yes, first I am going to write given word, that is equation, EQUATION. This is equation. Here I am going to write first vowels, and then I am going to write consonants. E vowel here, Q consonant, U vowel, A vowel, T consonant, I vowel, O vowel, N consonant. Total there are 8 letters. Total letters in this case 8. Number of vowels 5. Next I can write number of consonants. There are 3. But here the requirement is we need to select 3 vowels and 2 consonants. Yes, here I am going to write number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants. From how many vowels? From 5 vowels and 3 consonants. That is written as, from 5 we need to select 3. Therefore, the notation 5C3 multiplied by, from 3 consonants you have to select 2, 3C2. Therefore, 5C3 value 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Next, this is 3 factorial by 1 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 into 4, 3 factorial gets cancelled, 2. This is 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. 2 into 2 into 1 gets cancelled. 2 2 is 4. Therefore, answer 30. Let us move to the next one. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 3 boys out of 7 girls and 6 boys. First, I am going to write number of ways of selecting 3 girls from 7 girls. I am going to write number of ways of selecting 3 girls from 7 girls. This is 7C3. Next, number of ways of selecting 3 boys from 6 boys. That is 6C3. Therefore, total number of ways of selecting, therefore, number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 3 from 7 girls and 6 boys. This can be written as 7C3 into 6C3. You can simplify this. This is 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. it is 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 7 factorial by 4 factorial, I am going to write 7, 6, 5. Next 3 factorial value 3 into 2 into 1. 6 factorial by 3 factorial is 6, 5, 4. 3 factorial value 3 into 2 into 1. 6, 3 to 1, 6, 3 to 1 cancel. 35 into 20. Therefore answer 700. Let us move to the next one. Number of ways of different chains that can be prepared using 7 different color beads. It is the problem based on circular permutation, and you know that if the question is if the question is circular permutations with chains of beads or garlands of flowers, then you can write the formula n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Yes, here I am going to write number of ways of preparing chains by n different beads. General formula n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. For this formula we get 1 mark, and here in place of n you have to write 7. Therefore number of ways of preparing chains by 7 different colored beads, that is 7 minus 1 factorial divided by 2, and hence it is 6 factorial divided by 2. 6 into 5 factorial divided by 2, 3 into 5 factorial 120, so that the answer is 360. Let us move to the next one. Find the number of positive divisors of 1080 is there. 1080 prime factorization I am going to write 2 5s, 2 4s, 0. Next 2 2, 2 7, 0. Next 2 1, 2 3, 2 5. Next 5 2 ja, 5 7 ja. Next 3 9s, 3 3s. Yes. Given number n 1080, that can be written as 2 power 3, 3 power 3, 5 power 1. Suppose if a number n, if that can be written as prime factors like p1 power alpha 1, p2 power alpha 2, and so on, then number of divisors formula alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into, and so on. Here number of divisors equal to alpha 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, alpha 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, alpha 3 plus 1, 1 plus 1, implies what we get 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 2, that is 32. Total number of divisors 32 is the answer. Let us move to the next one. To pass an examination, a student has to pass in each of the 3 papers. In how many ways can a student fail in the examination? There are total 3 papers. If the student pass in each paper, then only the students can pass the examination. The question is, in how many ways can a student fail in the examination? Suppose if the student fails in one subject, also fails the exams. If suppose he failed in particularly two subjects, also failed in the examination. Out of three, suppose he failed, also fails in the examination. Therefore, here number of ways a student can fail the exam, that can be written as number of ways failed in one exam plus next you have to write two exams and then 3. Number of ways of student fail the exam can be treated by, if he fails in one exam, also fails. Next, number of ways failed in two exams plus number of ways failed in 3 exams. One paper, here 2 papers, and here you have to write 3 papers. Number of papers to write the exam is given as 3. Yes. See here, from the 3, suppose one paper failed. Number of chances 3C1. Next plus 3C2 and then 3C3. 3C1 value by Pascal triangle, this is 3C0 and this is 3C1, 3C2, last one 3C3. 3C1 value 3, 3C2 value 3, 3C3 value 1, 3 plus 3 plus 1 gives the result 7. Move to the next question. Find the number of ways of selecting 4 boys, 3 girls from a group of 8 boys and 5 girls. Here, first I am going to write number of ways of selecting 4 boys from 8 boys, that is 8C4. Next, number of ways of selecting 3 girls from 5 girls, that is equal to 5C3. Now, required number of ways, both boys and girls, that is 8C4 into 5C3. 8C4 value 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial, and this is 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 8 factorial by 4 factorial, first I am going to simplify, that is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 factorial, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next 5 factorial by 3 factorial, 5 into 4, 2 factorial, 2 into 1. 6 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, you can write 4 into 5, 20, 7 into 5, 35. So that finally we get 700 ways. Let us move to the next one. Find the number of diagonals of 12-sided polygon. Here you have a polygon of sides. Number of sides of a polygon is given as 12. You know the formula for number of n into n minus 3 by 2 is the formula for calculating number of diagonals. I am going to write the formula. Number of diagonals of n-sided polygon, that is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. This is equal to 12 into 12 minus 3 whole divided by 2. That is 6 into 12 minus 3 value 9. So that 54 we get. So ఈ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకు పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్లో రిపీటెడ్గా అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఎస్. సో మీరు క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చిన వెంటనే సెలెక్షన్ అని కనపడ్డది అనుకోండి, ఎన్సిఆర్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి. అరేంజ్మెంట్ అనే వర్డ్ కనపడింది అనుకోండి, ఎన్పిఆర్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసేది ఉంటుంది. సో చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా 6th and 7th క్వశ్చన్స్ డీల్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్.